Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials. List every income source and start a 30-day expense log so you see real cash flow. Once done, categorize spending into 5 buckets to spot leaks. This makes budgeting possible. Make a short-term safety net next. Aim for 1/4 to 1/2 of monthly expenses within 3 months, because liquidity prevents bad decisions. This immediate action gives you leverage to plan investments and reduce stress. Now move to organizing accounts and obligations. Now you set the engine. Create a zero-based budget so every dollar has a job, and automate transfers to enforce it. Once automated, attack high-interest debt aggressively while maintaining minimums on other accounts. This reduces interest drag and frees future cash. Make sure to allocate at least 10% to savings or retirement. Automation prevents procrastination. Track progress weekly and reallocate surplus toward the next priority. Gradually increase payments as income grows to shorten pay. To complete the cycle, you shift from survival to growth. Allocate surplus to retirement match first, then diversified taxable investments or accelerated debt payments, because compound returns and interest savings win over time. Once done, review and rebalance every quarter. Make small increases of 1 to 2% to savings when possible. If you run into a cash shortfall, pause non-essential contributions, call service providers to negotiate, and use your small emergency fund. This troubleshooting step keeps progress intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.